Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bitbucket how to reset password. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in bitbucket.org/account/password and /reset. And once you hit enter, you'll be sent to this kind of reset page. Now all you gotta do to reset your password is just simply enter in the email address right here, or just enter in your phone number and then click on send reset email. Now keep in mind that the email you have entered should have access by you. If you don't have the access, you won't be able to reset your Bitbucket. So just after tapping on send reset email, what you need to do is just go ahead and check your email inbox and then select the Bitbucket mail, and all you gotta do is click on the link that is provided right to you, and then your account will be, or your password will be reset, and then you'll have an option to reset your password. All you gotta do is just enter in or reset your password, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.